Hi everyone, I've just come to show you just a £1 kit that I've put in my shop. So it's all different ledgers. No, it's not ledgers at all. It's document pages with florals on them. So we have this one here. I printed them with a border. They are A4 size. This one here with this lovely pretty pink. There's no theme to them whatsoever. Just thought they're a handy little pack to have in your stash. I do like this one. I'm actually making 2 journals at the same time. Check me out. No, I started off making a grungy journal. Then I bought these little journal covers from Lenny's paper crafting shop on Etsy, and got totally distracted with them, and now I'm making a little kind of shabby grungy journal. So anyway, these will be in my shop. It's £1. There is 7 or 8 pages, 8 pages in total. Yeah, I'll put the link below. Bye for now.